Hey, good morning. I'd like to make a quick video here and bring you up to date on where I'm at. Roughly about halfway through the build, and I've made a few videos already when the thing was new and when I took down the paneling, when they insulated it, and I made the awning, or put the awning on, and I put the windows in. Kind of give you a walk around because I've done quite a bit more than that, and trying to show you where I'm at and let you see the outside and the inside real quick. I guess this is a good side to start on. If you can see up top here, you probably already saw the awning that I put on. Put on some graphics there. I just kind of like that stuff. And you obviously saw the video if you've been watching the windows, but right above the door there, you'll see the porch light I put in. And then on the door here, handle. See down here in the bottom, a step. I put these jacks on the front, so quite a bit of stuff going on over here. And walk around the front side here. On the jack here, if you look here, rather than put an electric jack on, I welded on a 3/4 inch bolt, which also matches up with the ones that are on these jacks, so I can use my electric drill for all of it. And also, the handle there does not interfere with the tailgate coming down the truck. So you'll see on the front here, I've got the this is a 110 volts, 20 amp input, and that will be what powers the trailer, either through shore power or the generator. And coming around to this side, one of the things I really like about this trailer, you'll see here, is the weight. This thing, 5,200 pounds gross vehicle weight, 3,400 pounds, 3,350 in capacity on the cargo. So I can build this thing out, even pretty heavy with cargo and everything. I've got quite a bit of capacity. So there's an upgraded axle and stuff in here. You saw that before. In any case, on this side, I got the other window. You'll see here, this is the quick disconnect for a shower outside, so that'll be hooked up. And this is the I don't know if I lock this or not. There we go. That's the city water input and the freshwater gravity feed. And so again, this is the air conditioning vent. This will be the intake. And did the same up top here. I matching graphics that are on the other side, and so you see all that. Coming around here, this will be the exhaust for the air conditioner, and so it'll intake here and output there. I'll do a separate video on the air conditioning installation. I know that interests a lot of folks, so please like and subscribe, and you'll get the alert when that comes in if you select alerts. But that will be in the next week. I'm putting the air conditioner in because I'm pretty much done with the outside. I have solar to do up on the roof, and when I do that, that's the only other thing up on the roof besides a couple vents. But I really pretty much gonna start working inside. You've seen the videos on the installation of the insulation and all. I've yet to put the panels on the roof. I'll be doing that this week because I got all the wiring in. So let me show you what I got here. Got all the wiring in. This is all just the rough wiring, and you can see up on the ceiling here. You pan up here, you know, you'll see in all the places where I've got wiring along, and I've come in and, you know, using this channel. So the wiring's all hanging from the roof like it should be where it's going to go, and so I'll start putting the ceiling panels in. I think I mentioned in the video of the windows, I kind of temporarily held them in. There's a trim ring that goes around here. What I'm going to do when I put the paneling in is I'll pull those back out real quickly, trace it off, cut the panels, put them back on the trim ring. So hard part's done. So you see this sitting here. This is it's going to be the counter up front. I got to cut that down. I got that at IKEA. It's a desk cover, but it's a gray. It's going to be up front. You can see I've taped off on the floor. So up front here, you'll see roughly where the shower is going to go. That little triangle thing there is the shower front's going to be that wide. That'll all be built up off the ground about 3 inches, so I can get plumbing under, or 2 inches, whatever I got to get. Toilet will also be a little bit higher up off the ground, so it'll feel more natural sitting on it. But you can see the blue lines. There'll be a louver door right in front of that toilet, a sliding door that'll go in. So that will be the bathroom area. This will be the kitchen area. You see the sink that'll go in. That stove, I may just get a 1 burner, but in any case, it won't stay there. I will have a portable stove in any way I use it. That will have a drawer right underneath the counter for it, so I have that open space. But I'm also going to be porting propane there from the tank up front. I will also have under the sink there a on-demand hot water heater. So all my propane will be there. I can just quick connect the stove when I want to use it. So in any case, you'll see more here on the floor. Pan around here. There we go. On this wall here, you'll see on the right there, that's that quick disconnect shower that's on the outside. It gets plumbed. That's the inlet for the water, city water, and the gravity feed. The tank is going to sit here. This blue area here, the big one, that's going to be where the couch bed goes. The bed will extend over top of a cabinet that's going to be in that other little line right that you see right down here in front of the air conditioner. So yeah, this will all be bed under storage. The pump will sit right in front of that, so all my water will kind of be plumbed here, again with the hot water on demand up front. So that's the plan right now. I do have to cut, when I go back up to the roof here, we'll be cutting in a vent right up in here for the shower. If you can see that, yeah, right up in here. And then I got to cut a vent here for the on-demand hot water heater to exhaust. But if you look down here on the floor, what you're going to see here on the floor where the air conditioner is, that blue area is going to be a wall. It goes from the ground to the ceiling, and the air conditioner will set right up where those vents are on a shelf. I will duct it all in with some polyiso foam so it'll all be isolated. But then you'll notice there'll be a lot of vertical room there. I'm going to have on the floor will be batteries. I'll have all my power and cords coming in there, my breaker boxes, all those kind of things will go in there. So that's kind of where I'm at. I think next up, like I said, I will be adding in the side paneling here the next day or so, and so I can start building up this shelf in the back for the air conditioner, because my goal is to get this air conditioner installed and working so I can work inside in the AC. It's starting to get hot here in Florida. But this is just a quick view of the inside. I'd like to encourage you to like and subscribe and to hit alerts. I'll have a couple more videos coming out. I will do one specifically on the plumbing. I will do one specifically on the air conditioning install, the electrical system, including the solar install, and then I'll probably end up doing a brief overview when I'm all done. Maybe a few other ones in there as I go. But in any case, this is where I'm at right now. Again, I want to thank you for watching these. I hope they're helpful. I hope they help you if you decide to build one. You don't have to build one like this, but you kind of get the idea of how it's going to look. So in any case, with that, I'm going to kind of cut this video off here and want to say thank you again for watching, and I hope these are helpful to you. Have a good day.